Do you want to know how you can log into your Jotbot AI account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Jotbot AI account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Jotbot AI login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Jotbot AI where you can start writing. Now, what you can do is click Start Writing, which is over here or over here. So after you click it, it will take you to this page where you can sign in using your email or your Google account. So if you sign in with your email, write down your email address over here, click Send Sign In link, and then a mail will be sent to your email by Jotbot. Go ahead and write down the code over here, click Check Link, and go to your email and click on the link which appeared on your screen. After you click the link, it will lead you to the login page and then you can log into your Jotbot AI account. Now, if you want to log in using your Google, click Continue with Google. After a while, this page will pop up on your screen. Now what you need to do is choose your Google account, give the permission after you click continue, and in a while you can notice that you have been logged into your Jotbot AI account using your Google account. I hope this video about how you can log into your Jotbot AI account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.